What it do, nation? Back up in here, man, one more time. Y'all know what's going on. Well, y'all don't know what's going on, but y'all know what's going on about this channel, though. So, yeah, man, go ahead, share that, man. Go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, man. Yes, sir. Hey, man, and don't skip no ads, man. Can y'all please do me a favor, man? And don't skip no ads, man. You know what I'm saying? Because, yeah, without the ads, I can't fund this regular motherfucker. Okay? So, please, don't skip no ads. Okay? So yeah, man, we out here this morning. It is currently 7, I think it's like 7 o'clock. And I'm waiting on Kane to get back, man. Yes, sir. Kane is on his way back, man. And we about to pull this cover on his rear end, man. We're gonna see what's. Oh my God! Excuse me, y'all. It's early. Well, it's early. It ain't early, but it's early for me for the last week because I ain't been at work. I just been chilling. Yeah, man. We about to see what's over the rear end. About to pop this cap. And yeah. Y'all gonna see it. Y'all gonna see it in the flesh. Y'all gonna see what's going on. So yeah, man, sit back, put your seatbelt on, grab your popcorn, man, get your favorite drink, whatever you need to do, man, cause for the next however many minutes, y'all finna be up under this car with me with MayRose. Y'all finna see why she acting up. So, with that being said, Kane pull back up, man. We about to get it on, man. Yeah, man. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Won't you be my neighbor? There's Kane. Wait, where you go, Kane? Damn, move fast. Kane over there, man. I need to wash the Jeep, man, because I just got back from Nashville, and yeah, them bugs were treacherous. This was in the daytime. Kane brought me a gift, man. Kane got me some Rock Auto parts. Oh shit, no you don't. He brought some tools. What you got in the box, Kane?
Yeah, we gonna need what we gotta do. This big task we gotta have.
I know big task. I just didn't want to do it. I wasn't gonna do it. Somebody was gonna have to pay for this shit. Huh? I can't put it down. I got the cameraman. Stop trying to touch my leg, Kane. What's wrong with you? Hey, one day Kane gonna tell me he ain't my friend no more. I'm gonna go and take his goddamn mailbox door. I'm gonna take the door off his mailbox. Petty shit. But anyway, man. Hey, we gotta do that. What's called first, don't?
What's called?
Sway bar.
I'm trying to do without taking the sway bar.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to.
Huh?
I'm trying to.
Okay. Well, yeah, we up on this. We finna get up on this car, man. So, finna get up on this car, and yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all updated, man. But let me help my dog right quick. Might need to put that light on it.
You don't record the phone no more?
Huh?
You don't record the phone no more?
I do, but like my camera gotta be dead for me to do it. Nah, you get, you know what I'm saying, when you come up in the
Invest in your product, invest in your products.
Huh?
You're investing in your product.
Yeah, man, you know how you do, man, when you know, you get a little uppity, you know.
Oh, okay.
You get a little uppity. I need to have me a lift from my garage.
Huh?
I need to have me a lift from my garage.
No, we gotta live at the other garage.
What other garage? Mike's?
No, nah. Actually, one that's actually gonna be belong to you one day.
Huh?
The one that belong to you one day.
What the hell you talking about?
Down there off Hall Road.
Oh. It's gonna be a long one day. You need that prop ball? Probably so.
There's a screwdriver in there. Cool. You drop it. Alright.
It's too big. Dude. Alright, y'all. Let's see. Let's see what we got, man. Let's see what we got. You know, chunks come out. Oh, shit.
That's alright.
See shit.
I get it anyway.
Not yet. Oh, I see some shavings. You see it down there at the bottom?
Yes, it's a nice little piece right there. Let me see this screwdriver.
There go a piece right there. Damn. There go a piece right there. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Well, at least it ain't what I thought it was.
Yeah, we're gonna jack it up some more.
Huh?
Yeah, we're gonna jack it up a little bit more.
Jack it up.
Yeah.
There's some pieces down there in that what's called though? What's them? That ain't the pinion gear, is it? I mean, that's...
That look like pinion gear. That look like, that look like ring gear. Look.
Yeah, that's what I meant, the ring gear. I hope I know it. That shouldn't be the pinion gear.
Alright, we gotta get it jacked up more. So, y'all, we gonna be back.
Alright. Kang is in control right now. He said we're gonna be back. God damn it.
Come on this side to record because y'all can see the show the spot.
Okay. Alright, y'all, so we hold on, I'm finna move to the other side, but oh shit. That ain't no 9 here, that's a 6.
Yeah,
It's 6,000s. You know how that old mechanic talk. Measurements and stuff. I'm trying not to cuss, y'all. Fuck. Oh damn. But I don't think I can see that far.
Alright, I'm giving some else so I can see. This right there. Can you see right there?
Where?
Back, look at it, see the pinion gear?
Hold on, hey, toss me my light. Alright.
See the pinion gear in there?
Yeah. I think, yeah.
Alright.
Woo! Shit! Alright, that's probably them pieces that, that's probably them pieces that, woo! Y'all see that? Can y'all see that? Woo, that thing is sheared. A lot of pieces came off that thing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 pieces.
Now where'd they go?
That's what piece was broke, man. That's what's.
Yeah, we pulled some out.
Well, they out the way. But let's look at the ring gear. I'm gonna look at the pinion as it go around. Oh. And as part of it, some ain't meshing right. Okay, let's see if we get home. Alright, it's skipped right there.
Yeah, it ain't getting home no more.
But why did it do that?
Cause it was a piece in there.
No, they don't just break if they mesh right.
Oh, it probably didn't. I don't know. I mean, it's all good.
It wouldn't be, yeah, I thought that was a bad spot, but yeah.
Yeah, it's all good. It probably was off a little bit. It's cool. I should have went back, like Marlon told me, man. Like when I heard it the first time, I should have went back and seen what was going on. But like I said, I thought it was the drive shaft. I didn't think it was the gears, simply because it was new. Like I ain't never dealt with nothing like this. Like this my first build on a car, so I ain't never dealt with no gears and internals and all that. So
Yeah, that's that bolt I was talking about. When I tell you,
yeah.
if that bolt there, that pin could have came out and got hung in there.
Yeah.
Or that pin, or that could have broke off at certain points in that bolt. That bolt ain't that big.
Yeah.
It can break off and that pin will slide.
Yeah. So.
And then I was thinking about maybe one of them bolts there might have bagged out or something. Man,
Yeah, I sure was thinking about that when you said it. I thought I was like, man, them back bolts is kind of close.
Yeah. And it's got a little good clearance, but if they bag out enough, it'll
Bag out enough, it'll lock this joint up.
Yeah.
I know that.
But now it's free.
This joint free, y'all. So now
Wheel up.
I can get it. They're blowing the horn.
Back the wheel up.
Back to who?
Back the wheel up. Well, go forward.
Back the wheel up. What's talking about? That joint shaking too. Look, I mean, it's moving.
What's moving?
The whole thing. Look, move the wheel. You see that? It's supposed to do that. See how that
That
joint?
mother got slop in it.
Yeah.
Gotta have slop in it if it's moving like that. I
Yeah.
think it do.
Can y'all see that on the camera? Do it again. Y'all can't see it, but it's moving. It's moving front to back.
It.
Okay.
Let me see.
You want that or the
No,
or
let
the
me see
bar?
power. Let me see.
Y'all see that? Hold on, do it again.
Something ain't right there, buddy. I don't know much about rims, but I don't think it's supposed to rock like that.
Yeah.
Now that'll make it get in the bind and not
Yeah,
turn
that'll
like
make it do something. That'll make it do something.
Cause that's that's a lot of shim, that's a lot of space, bro. If y'all see that real close,
Woo! That
ain't right.
thing twerking in there.
Yeah, it ain't either it ain't shim right or something.
But anyway, it don't matter. We're gonna get it fixed, and yeah, now we free now, so I can roll it on the tow truck now. Can't drive it, although I might try it. Don't do that stupid shit, B. But yeah. Alright, let me get some Instagram footage. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all. So yep, man, we done buttoned it back up. You see that? Button it back up, man. No, got it free. Like I said, there was some pieces in there broke. Y'all seen the pieces that was in there broke. So we got it free. And yeah, now I gotta call the guy to see if he's able to take it. To see if he's able to take it because you know, I mean, these folk working. A lot of folk, they were booked up. So see if he was able to take it. And see if he's able to take it and get my tow truck in line to go ahead and get it down there to him. I'm trying to think if I want to make this a 2-part video, or if I want to make it just this one video of me tearing that apart, which it might just be a video of me tearing that apart, so y'all can have y'all footage, man. You know what I'm saying? Even if I hope it ain't that short. I think it's kind of short though. But I'll do something else. I'll put something else with it to make sure that this that it's done. It's a nice amount of footage, man. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Let's figure something out. Oh yeah. Now I did go do this. I went and bought me a went to Hall Freight, man. Got me a little $10 wheel chalk yesterday. Think I'm gonna give me another one. I had one. I don't even know where it went. I think it's at Mike's house. I think it's at Memphis Mike's house, man. I think we used it one time for his car. But I went and bought me another one, man. Went and bought that little junk. Looks like it'll work pretty good. I probably ain't gonna use it that much. But yeah. I'll let y'all in a minute.